Welcome to our guide for integrating Xobin with Ashby. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up the integration, sending individual assessments, and automating assessments in the hiring pipeline. First, log into your Xobin dashboard and navigate to the Settings menu on the left side. Click on the Integrations button in the top right corner. Select Ashby from the available integration list, then click on Generate API Key and copy the key. Next, head over to your Ashby dashboard. In the top menu, select Admin, then go to Integrations, search for Xobin, and click Enable Xobin. Paste the API key from Xobin into the provided field and press Update. Now, on the left sidebar of the Ashby dashboard, click API Keys. In the top right corner, click New and give your API key a name. We'll call it Xobin Assessments. For the integration partner, select Xobin, then click Create API Key. Copy the new API key. Go back to your Xobin dashboard and under Ashby Integration, click on the Edit button to the right, then paste the Ashby API key into the field provided and press Save. You have successfully integrated Xobin and Ashby. Now let's assign and send individual assessments. Simply go to your Ashby dashboard, click on Candidates in the top menu, then select the candidate you'd like to send an assessment. Now, let's add a Xobin assessment activity to this candidate. To do so, select New Activity, choose Assessments, and select Xobin. From there, search for the required assessment, select it, and click Add Activity to assign the assessment to the candidate. All right, now the assessment has been added to the candidate, but to send an invite, you have to click on Start Assessment button. Now, let's wait for the candidate to complete the test. When the candidate completes the test, you can view the results directly in the Ashby dashboard, like the qualification status, completion time. You'll also have the option to view the full detailed report in Xobin. Click the View in Xobin button to access detailed reports of the candidate's performance. Now let's set up automating assessments in the hiring pipeline. In Ashby, go to Jobs and click on the Dashboard option. Then select the desired job as per your requirements. Navigate to the Interview Plan section and add a new pipeline stage named Xobin Assessments, and then save the stage. You can also rearrange the order of the assessments as needed. Next, add an assessment activity to this stage by clicking Add Activity, select Xobin, and search for the desired test and add it. Go to the Candidates tab, select a candidate, and associate them with a job. Move the candidate to the pipeline stage where you added the Xobin assessment activity. The assessment will automatically be assigned to the candidate. Then simply start the assessment as usual. Once the candidate completes the test, view the results in Ashby or access detailed reports in Xobin. And that's how you successfully integrate Xobin with Ashby and streamline your candidate assessment process. Whether assigning tests manually or automating them within your hiring pipeline, this integration ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any doubts, comment down below, and please like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our latest videos.